On a clear night, you look up and see a sky full of stars, each a distant sun, each a mystery. For millennia, humans have gazed upward, telling stories and asking, what's out there? Are we alone? This wonder drives us to explore, to invent tools that extend our vision beyond the limits of our eyes. The night sky is a puzzle, every star a clue, every shadow a secret. Our curiosity isn't just for scientists, it's in every child who asks why, and every adult who marvels at a meteor shower. We've always wanted to know, how did the universe begin? How did stars and galaxies form? Is there life beyond Earth? Telescopes on Earth gave us hints, but our atmosphere blurred the view. So we sent telescopes into space, like Hubble, which revealed breathtaking images of distant galaxies and nebulae. But even Hubble had limits. It couldn't see the universe's first moments or peer through thick clouds where stars are born. We dreamed of a new kind of eye, one that could look back in time, see the first light, and peer through cosmic dust. Building this dream required new technology, new ideas, and global teamwork. The result? The James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful window to the universe. Webb is more than a telescope. It's a time machine, built of mirrors and light, designed to answer our oldest questions. Now it's showing us a universe more astonishing than we ever imagined. With Webb, we're not just looking at stars. We're looking at our own origins. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding where we come from. The cosmic ocean is vast, but with Webb, we're finally learning how to navigate it. The journey of discovery is just beginning. The universe is waiting for us to ask the next question. And with every answer, our sense of wonder only grows. The night sky is no longer just a mystery, it's an invitation. Let's see where it leads. Meet the James Webb Space Telescope, Webb for short, the most ambitious space observatory ever built. It's the result of decades of collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. Webb is designed to see the universe in infrared light, revealing what's hidden from our eyes. Why infrared? Because as the universe expands, ancient light stretches into the infrared, carrying secrets from the dawn of time. Webb is our infrared eye, peering over 13.5 billion years into the past. It doesn't replace Hubble, it complements it. Hubble sees visible and ultraviolet. Webb sees the invisible heat of the cosmos. Together, they give us a fuller picture of the universe. Webb's mission is bold. Find the first galaxies, study how they grow, watch stars and planets being born, and search for the building blocks of life on distant worlds. These aren't just scientific goals. They're the biggest questions we can ask. Where did we come from? Are we alone? Webb is built to help us find the answers. Its technology is revolutionary, its vision unprecedented. With Webb, we're not just observing the universe, we're rewriting our place in it. Every image, every spectrum is a step closer to understanding our cosmic story. Webb is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It's proof that when we work together, we can reach for the stars, literally. The universe is vast, but with Webb, it's a little less mysterious. The adventure is just beginning, and the questions are only getting bigger. Webb's most striking feature is its giant golden mirror, over 6.5 meters across, made of 18 hexagonal segments. This mirror collects faint light from the farthest reaches of the universe, acting as our cosmic light bucket. Each segment is coated in gold, perfect for reflecting infrared light. The mirror had to be folded to fit inside its rocket, then unfolded in space, a feat of engineering. To see the faintest signals, Webb must stay incredibly cold. Its 5-layer sunshield, the size of a tennis court, blocks heat from the sun, earth, and moon. On one side, it's hot enough to boil water. On the other, it's colder than anywhere on Earth. Webb orbits at the second Lagrange point, or L2, a million miles from Earth, always keeping the sun, earth, and moon behind it. This vantage point gives Webb a clear, cold, and stable view of the cosmos. From this outpost, Webb sends back data that's transforming our understanding of the universe. Its instruments can see through dust clouds, revealing stars and planets in the making. Webb's design is a masterpiece of precision and innovation. Every detail, from the gold coating to the sunshield, is there to help us see what was once invisible. With Webb, we're not just looking farther, we're looking deeper. We're seeing the universe as it was billions of years ago. The unseen is now within our reach, and every photon Webb collects is a message from the past. The secrets of the cosmos are coming into focus, and we're just getting started. Building Webb took over 20 years and the work of thousands. Every part had to survive the violence of launch and the cold of space. On Christmas Day 2021, Webb launched atop an Ariane 5 rocket, a flawless start to a daring mission. But the real test began in space. Webb had to unfold itself, piece by piece, a million miles from home. 344 things had to go right, no room for error. First, the solar array deployed, then the antenna, then the massive sun shield. Each step was a high-stakes ballet unfolding perfectly. Next, the mirrors swung into place, forming one giant golden eye. Months of careful alignment followed, adjusting each segment by tiny amounts until they worked as one. On July 12, 2022, the world saw Webb's first images, stunning, detailed, and full of promise. The wait was worth it. Webb was open for business, ready to explore the universe. Its journey from blueprint to orbit was a triumph of human ingenuity. Every challenge overcome brought us closer to the stars. Now, Webb is our outpost in deep space, sending back discoveries that will change how we see everything. The risks were enormous, but so were the rewards. Webb's journey is a story of vision, perseverance, and teamwork. And it's only the beginning. The universe is waiting. One of Webb's first surprises? Galaxies that are too big, too soon. Theories predicted the earliest galaxies would be small and chaotic, but Webb found massive, mature galaxies just 500 million years after the Big Bang. It's like finding adults in a room full of newborns. Something doesn't add up. These discoveries challenge our leading models of how the universe evolved. Scientists are scrambling to explain how galaxies could grow so fast. Maybe the first stars were bigger, or gas collapsed more efficiently, or perhaps there's something new about dark matter or dark energy. Webb hasn't just answered questions, it's created new ones. The universe is more complex and surprising than we thought, and the puzzle just got a lot more interesting. Webb isn't just looking back in time, it's searching for life. By studying exoplanets, Webb can analyze their atmospheres for signs of water and other molecules. One of its first targets, WASP-96b, revealed clear evidence of water vapor, clouds and hazes in a distant alien sky. This was the most detailed look at an exoplanet's atmosphere ever. Webb's instruments are so sensitive, they can detect the fingerprints of life's building blocks. The ultimate goal? To find a rocky, Earth-like planet with water in its atmosphere. That would be a discovery to change everything. Webb is now turning its gaze to smaller, potentially habitable worlds. Each observation brings us closer to answering, are we alone? Finding water on a hot Jupiter is just the beginning. The search for another Earth is underway. Every great telescope rewrites our understanding of the universe. Galileo showed us moons around Jupiter. Hubble revealed an expanding universe. Now Webb is challenging old assumptions and revealing new mysteries. Its images of massive early galaxies are forcing scientists to rethink how the cosmos evolved. Webb's infrared eyes also reveal hidden star nurseries, showing us thousands of newborn stars where Hubble saw only darkness. These discoveries aren't just beautiful, they're changing what we know about how stars and galaxies form. Science thrives on surprises, and Webb is delivering them daily. We don't explore to confirm what we know, we explore to be amazed. Webb is a machine for discovery, a generator of cosmic puzzles. It's a thrilling time to be an astronomer, or anyone who looks up at the sky. The universe is stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined, and Webb is helping us see it with new eyes. Why look to the stars when we have problems here on Earth? The answer: perspective and progress. Building Webb led to new technologies, better detectors, advanced materials that benefit life on Earth. But the real gift is perspective. Every atom in your body was forged in ancient stars. Astronomy reminds us we're part of the universe, not apart from it. Webb's images show thousands of galaxies in a patch of sky the size of a grain of sand. It's humbling and unifying. Our differences seem smaller against the vastness of space. Exploring the cosmos inspires curiosity, creativity, and a sense of shared destiny. It's a journey that brings us together, and it reminds us we are stardust, looking back at the stars. Webb has only begun its mission, and already it's transforming our view of the universe. Designed to last a decade or more, it promises discoveries we can't yet imagine. Scientists are using Webb to search for the first stars, map exoplanet atmospheres, and study our own solar system in new ways. Each observation is a new chapter in the story of the cosmos. What will Webb's greatest discovery be? We don't know, and that's the thrill. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Webb is our tool for exploration, our eye on the unknown. For the first time, we can look back to the beginning and forward to new worlds. The journey is just beginning. Let's keep looking up.